Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am in my conservatory. Definitely I am going to show you some interesting thing. Before that let me show you something. Why am I doing this conservatory tour today? This is my outdoor garden. Look at the condition. This is my pumpkin plant. On top there is a bottle gourd is also here in the same place. But almost all are dying now. Few pumpkins are there still now, but very poor condition. Weather will go down, so see, this is my tomato plants. It looks like tomato skeletons are there. So temperature will go down, so I am trying to save some plants. So here you go. This is my new garden. So I'll take you a tour for my new garden, which I'm growing in my conservatory. So let's have a look. Chilies I grew in the pot only, so that's the reason I brought all the pots inside so that I can get the chilies from there and it doesn't die so quickly. So yes, this is another type of chili plant. Few different types of chilies I grew in the pot. And these chilies are very spicy, very hot. Looks very colorful. And definitely I have to save some seeds for next year. This is my almond spinach, which I seeded I think the beginning of October. But yes, this one totally I grew inside only. So this is the second batch. First batch, also another batch I did. You can see these are growing. These I did before 1 month. I grew in different techniques, so please watch the video till end. I'll share how did I grow inside. This is my kale. I grew in 3 pots. 1 pot I brought it inside. Here are some spring onions. The normal general onions which we buy from the market. From there only I put it in the tub. And it's growing. It looks a bit healthy. Here you can see that other pot, that leaves are dying now. It's not, that doesn't look very healthy. Maybe not getting enough sunlight. Maybe that's the reason. What is this? Ginger. This time when I bought ginger from the shop, there are shoots. So I thought let's try it. So it's not bad. It's growing very nicely. You can see the growth. It looks very healthy. So hopefully maybe I'll get some ginger this time. This is my taro plant. Taro I grew in the bag and that some pots also. 1 pot only I brought it inside because I need taro leaves. For some reason I'll share in another video. This is my lemon plant. My daughter gifted me. You can see so many lemons are here. And yes, see the size. And here are more lemon. Different size. And these are the new branches are coming out now. I think all together in this lemon plant, I think 7 or 8 lemons are here. And this is my coffee lemon plant. We call it Gandharaj lebu. These leaves we use for our cooking, and you can get it in Sainsbury, but very expensive. 4 leaves, I think £1.20. And see that lemon is all, 1 lemon came now. So maybe by next summer we can get more lemon from this plant. But yes, I love this plant. Gift from my husband. This is my malabar spinach. In one earlier video I showed you some malabar spinach were on the ground. So we removed from there and put it on the pot so that I can bring it inside. And I mentioned the reason. Because of that seeds I brought them in, because the seed was not ready when it was outside. So now you can see that seeds are ready. I need to dry them up and can store for next year. See, so many new seeds are also coming. In Bengali we call meetingoli, and for that also we make a very nice dish we cook. So soon that recipe will also come out in my channel. And this is my green malabar spinach. So I'm waiting for seeds from this green color malabar spinach. Now I'm going to share the secret. How did we grow inside? I lost that footprint basically. After seeding, we wrapped that top with a cling film and left it for 7 days. After 7 days, we cut it and you can see the growth there. Look at. Within 7 days, they germinated and grew. So this is my conservatory garden too. Hope you like. Thanks for watching. I showed you what all I'm growing inside my conservatory. So see you all in my next video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.